Today we're going to learn how to use Adobe Acrobat free version to complete and sign PDF documents. The first thing we have to do is to download and install Acrobat Reader from adobe.com. On your browser, navigate to adobe.com. From there, go to the bottom of the page, and you will see the Acrobat Reader download link. Press on it. You will be asked if you want to download McAfee Protection Antivirus. Unclick this option and click on the download button right above. When the download's finished, click to install. The installation might take up to 15 minutes. At times, it will look like it has stopped, but it hasn't. Please be patient. Once installed, it'll ask you if you want to make Adobe Acrobat your default PDF file handler. I recommend you set it as default. There are many things you can do with the free version without having to sign up to a paid service. Or worse yet, resort to pesky free programs that will fill your desktop with ads.